Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will introduce to you how to debugging PG card. First, install the PG card. Install it EXB. Now connect the PG card to your motor encoder. Follow the wiring diagram. Now power on the VFD. After that, set the parameters. For PG card, if your motor is synchronous or asynchronous, both you have to select closed loop control method. Set F01.00 control mode. For asynchronous motor, set 2. For synchronous motor, set 12. Then set F01.10 maximum frequency. Then set F01.12 upper limit frequency. Now set the motor parameters according to the motor nameplate. Set F02.01 to F02.06 parameters group. Now set the encoder parameters. Set F02.30 encoder type, F02.33 number of ABZ encoder lines, and then set F02.34 number of poles of rotary transformer. Now do auto tuning. Set F02.07 1 or 2. After that, press the run key and wait for a few seconds. When auto tuning is done, it will go back to the main interface. Here is the all parameter setting I used in this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact with our technical team. Thanks for watching.